This MesaTech Corporation tutorial video follows your mPact Products kitchen cleaning guide step by step. mPact cleaning products are specially formulated to meet the needs of heavy foot traffic industries such as convenience stores or restaurants. Store and cover all food items before using chemicals. Step 1. Wipe down the walls using Surface TB. For tough stains, use mPact Dozer Degreaser. Step 2. Clean the grill, griddle, range, flat top, and fryer using mPact Oven Lovin'. Step 3. Change the foil lining on top of ranges, grills, and flat tops. Step 4. Wipe down the other equipment such as coffee makers, microwaves, toasters, and meat slicers using mPact Dozer Degreaser and sanitize with Surface TB. Step 5. Clean all prep area surfaces with mPact Dozer Degreaser, disinfecting using Surface TB. Step 6. Clean beverage dispenser heads and the soda fountains using hot soapy water with mPact Clean Pink detergent and spray it with Surface TB. Let dry before using. Step 7. Wash utensils, smallwares, flatware, and glassware using mPact Clean Pink detergent and Sanitive food service sanitizer. Let them dry overnight. Step 8. Clean sinks. Use mPact Dozer Degreaser and mPact Steel Clean on stainless sinks. Step 9. Wash rags, towels, aprons, and uniforms in washing machine. Use mPact Ultra Detergent. Step 10. Refill soap dispensers and replace empty paper towel rolls. Step 11. Sweep walk-in refrigerators and storage areas. Step 12. Take out trash and recycling. Step 13. Disinfect the waste disposal area with Surface TB and clean the trash cans with mPact Dozer Degreaser. For more information on other products in the mPact cleaning line, contact your MesaTech Corporation sales representative. MesaTech Corporation, putting convenience in your store since 1992.